Hey Astro-Nerds, Diana here. This is a quick video as Siril now is accepting RC Astro tools. These are the Blur Exterminator, Noise Exterminator, and also the Star Exterminator. And let's just be very clear here. They're not free. If you already bought the licenses to use in PixInsight, then you can use them in Siril. And there is a way to do it, and that is why I am making this video, because I just went through the whole process and I got all kind of errors and problems. But finally, I figured out and I was able to successfully install the scripts in Siril. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are able to also use Siril with the RC Astro, which are amazing tools. Once in Siril, be sure that you have the latest software update. And this one is the 1.44. So I am going to download it and I'm going to follow this link here. It's going to be for Windows. Here comes the installation up here. Okay, so let me just go ahead and open this file, and I'm assuming that this is just the way it's going to be, and we're going to accept everything. Create a desktop, which I already have, but I am just going to install and be curious to see what happened with the other scripts that I recently have there. Close the application, so I am going to close Siril. Just go ahead and do that right now, exit. Okay, removing and installing the new one. It's always a little bit scary. I lost some scripts and PixInsight when I did the latest big update recently, a few days ago. So let's just go ahead and finish. Please have a seat and take a time to watch the short introduction. Now we are going to have here, get scripts, Noise Exterminator, here they are, Star Exterminator, and Blur Exterminator. Now we have here on the RC Astro on the scripts. So let me just go to the first one. So this is what you're going to get. If you get this window, you are in the right place. And this is the one that we get for the standalone. Before you go to Siril is that we have to go to the standalone here, CLI, activate products, and we're going to copy this one. And we are going to paste to command prompt to activate the products. And now I am going to paste here. Now, if you get an error that says RC Astro is not recognized, it means that the RC Astro CLI is not installed. So let's fix that. Click on your system, and then you are going to download. You're going to get is the RC Astro, this one, executable file. Okay, and now this is the one that I am going to install right now, and I am going to click on it, and this is the CLI RC Astro, and it's going to place it where it needs to be, which is C program file RC Astro CLI, and I'm just going to keep that one. Has been installed on your computer. To use it, open a new command prompt and run RC Astro. So now I need to go to the command prompt and run RC Astro. Command prompt, and let me just put RC Astro. Okay, so this is what we need to do. It is not recognized. Okay, so if this is what you get that is still not recognized, then we need to go to the exact location of the file. Program files, RC Astro CLI in capital letters, okay? And now we are going to see. It's not recognized. Okay, so open the RC Astro folder. Okay, so we're going to open it. Hold Shift and right click on an empty area. Shift and right click and open in terminal. then type dot dash astro dot exe for executive space dash twice and version and press enter. Okay, it's not recognized. So now I need to malfunction, script file, check the spelling of the name. Let's see. If you get this error like me, all of these errors, we're going to do something different, okay? So this means that I am in the right folder, but the RC Astro executable is probably inside the RSC folder. So we are going to do this. In PowerShell type, we're going to type director, DRR, okay? If you still get this, directory C for program file, all of this exactly the way I have it. The executable is inside that folder, not in C program files dash RC Astro. So now I am going to type CD here, space CLI. Press enter. Okay, and now I am going to type directory, play enter. Here it is, the RC Astro executable. Okay, now that finally I found the folder, now I am going to type exactly this, dot slash RC Astro, like this, dot exe for executable, space, 2 dash, and version. And finally, I get something here. So now if you get this RC Astro, the RC Astro program is installed and running. The message, the following argument was not expected version means that the version is not valid, is not a valid command for this program, not that it's broken. Now you can activate your licenses. Now we go back to the run the Blur Exterminator activation, paste the action command you copy from the RC Astro. So now I am going back to my RC Astro website, and I am going to copy the activations command again, and I am going to paste this into the command prompt to activate these products, and let's see what happens. Okay, now I am going to paste here. Paste. Ta-da! So they have been activated. Okay. This was not that easy. Now, after the big success here, it's time to go back to Siril, go to Preferences, and I am going to Scripts in the top menu, and we're going into Get Scripts. Let me just go for Blur Exterminator, for example, or it may be under RC Astro. Blur Exterminator, there you go. And all I need to do now is click Apply. I am going to do it for all of them. So let me go ahead and do again the get the scripts. Let me go now to Star Exterminator, Noise Exterminator. I'm going to highlight that one. I am going to apply. And last but not least, and I'm not sure if this one is here, but I'm supposed to have the Star Exterminator. Oh, there it is. Okay, so Star Exterminator, and I'm going to apply. And here we see in the command prompt, updating working profile. So I believe this is working. I'm going to close Siril and I'm going to restart. Now, just to try this, let me just go ahead and open any image here just to have something. Okay, so now I'm going to test one more time. Go to Python scripts and then RC Astro. Let me just try the Blur Exterminator. Okay, so now it is detected. And let's say I'm going to do sharpen stars 29, adjust halos, and run Blur Exterminator. Since the commands are different than in PixInsight, you have more, I don't know, it's a little bit different. Okay, but it is actually working. Blur Exterminator finish. Let me just go ahead and check on this. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom in here and let's just go before and after. There you go. It is working. Look at that, before and after. Okay, so I want to test the other ones. Let's go to scripts, Python scripts. Let me just do a denoise, maybe like a 65. Okay, this is my beautiful image from the RASA 11. Now let me just go back to scripts, Python scripts, RC Astro, and noise exterminator. Okay, so I'm going to do like a 65 there and see what happens. Noise exterminator finish, close, okay? Let me zoom in here and see. So this is now before and after. I don't see much, but obviously it is working. Maybe I just have to work on settings. The important part is it is working. Last but not least, and this is the one that I'm not sure, let me go to the Star Exterminator. Okay, and I'm just going to do, what I always do, generate stars image and on-screen stars. Okay, obviously this is going to this is really good. Stars image saved to F session running man nebula starlights. So it is there, so it worked. But let me just go ahead and look for that. Now I am going to look for the stars image, okay? So it should be here. And here it is, stars light, okay? Well, this is great. I made it. We made it. This is complicated, but I hope it helps. Please like my channel, subscribe, get the membership program so you can get the cheat sheets all the time and the notifications. And I hope you enjoy these great tools by RC Astro.